We're here at Best Auto Service Center located in Tannersville, and joining me is Tom Sforza. Tom, great to have you on the program as always. Something new, it's called digital inspections, and this is really cool because this is more efficient. It helps your technicians get to the work quicker, and it also builds that trust with the customer. Tell us about it.
Great new tool, Android-based tablet, George, and what we're basically doing is taking the AC Delco vehicle courtesy check sheet that you have in your hand, okay, and we're doing it on the tablet now. So whatever the technicians find, they put down on the tablet, okay, any findings, and they can take a video. So if there's a bad ball joint or front end part or etc., they can take a video of it, or they can take still pictures if it has bad tires, worn out tires.
Sure.
And then they send their findings to the front counter. And the service writers get a warning alert that, hey, this is what I found. And then the service writers at that point will price the job out, and they send it to the customer through text and email.
Wow.
So they get it two ways, and they get to see videos and pictures as well. So it's just great because it's like the customer's in the service bay. So it really is a great tool. It saves the guys a lot of time, lot less walking. It saves on ink and paper. We're not reprinting repair orders. So it really makes the shop that much more efficient. We're really excited to have it.
One of the big problems we have here, of course, in Pennsylvania is the salt and cinders on the road, and that can cause a lot of problems with your car. So you have a solution for that, Tom.
Yes, absolutely. We have the rust-proofing system, NH Oil rust-proofing system that we do. We just have the customer take it to the car wash to get the undercarriage washed thoroughly, and then we can apply this coating to it, and it helps stop the rust right in its tracks. And we also do the inside the doors too, the lower parts of the door, so it helps them from rusting out. Because a lot of people don't realize, because they don't see the undercarriage of their vehicle, and we do state inspections, we have some cars that are just really rusty, and the customers don't know. So that by having that rust proofing done, it does extend the life of the vehicle.
Sure.
It saves the customer money in the long run, you know. So
Too much rust and it won't pass inspection.
exactly, once the chassis starts getting holes in it, it won't pass.
Tom, of course, you know we do maintenance on so many other things around the house and with our personal items, but we always forget about the car. Why is maintenance important with your vehicle?
Well, maintenance is critical on a car because you want to get the best possible fuel mileage you can, so you want to have it tuned up. You want to have your filters changed, you're breathing the air, the cabin air filter gets dirty, and just by maintaining the vehicle, it gives you much more, thousands of miles more, okay, where you don't have to replace the vehicle if you didn't maintain it. So really, in the long run, maintenance is key, and it's actually going to save the customer money in the long run by extending the life of the vehicle, and they don't have to replace it and spend thousands on a new vehicle. So it is critical.
Keep that car going and keep it safe.
Absolutely. Safety is number one.
And of course, Tom, with spring here, we want to make sure that everybody's going to get their cars taken care of because you got the upcoming summer season, a lot of traveling going on, but you know, it's been a rough winter.
So we're running a spring-summer special only for $19.99, and we check the hoses and the belts, the wiper blades, the tires, the front end, the undercarriage, filters, things of that nature, just to make sure the car is safe and ready to go for the summer vacations.
Yeah. Now, besides doing car repair and inspections, you also have some used cars here.
Yes, we do. Yeah, we've been doing that now. That's the newest thing. So we have quality pre-owned vehicles. So if people need a good quality pre-owned vehicle, they can come down and see what we have on the lot. And if they need something we don't have, we can always get that for them. And also we have financing available too for people.
That's great.
So
if people want more information about Best Auto Service Center, how do they get it?
they can call the number at 570-688-2378, or they can visit us on the web at www.bestautoservicecenter.com.